Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna showcase you some unique concepts which are newly arrived in starting range and varieties of Kesaria Textile Company, in which you have get the concepts and the fabric of the print. Apart from that, many of the concepts in fabric of print like weightless or concepts like many of the crepe, marble, these are some concepts are very highlighted in the print concept. So guys, my only request you to watch the video from start to till the end. First of all, in my hand you will get the fabric of the Georgette with the range mentioned of 295 rupees only. You have get the 8 pieces of the sets, in which first of all let me show you one of them. See, these are the fabric you will be get. You can take the screenshot also and send it to the screen available number, in which in the sticker the mention will be with blouse. With blouse means you will be get the length of 6.30 meter or approx that kind of length you will be get with unstitched blouse also. Color pieces you will be get in this kind of concepts. See, these are the color items in which you will be get many of the varieties also. Apart from that, many of the concepts in chiffon fabric also you will be get. Apple chiffon, the rate will be 255 rupees only. 6 meter approx, 4 pieces you will be get. All the necessary details you will be get in the barcode concepts also. Let me open you for this. These are very highly preferable. If you want to start your new expandable business, then you can have the good amount of investment at the ranges and varieties in the print also. See, these are the very highly varieties which are preferable in any of the states. It's either will be the Maharashtrian or either will be the southern region of India or either will be the northern or eastern range of India. Print is the very highly evergreen concepts in which you may like all the concepts. See, these are the very highly preferable at the range of 255 rupees only, Apple chiffon. Let me remind you guys, we provide you two kind of facility. One is online and another one is offline. If you are interested to visit our shop, visit our company, then please call the screen available number whenever you can arrive at the airport or railway stations. In any of the mode, we provide you pickup and drop facility also. From railway stations, it will be have the distance of only 10 minutes only. And from the airport, we have provide you pickup and drop facility also. So there is not any time duration highly. So guys, next one, I have two concepts CU and one more variety which will come in the concepts in the print, that is weightless, will be the range at 249 rupees. Let me open you for this. These are the concepts. All the single pieces you will be get these kind of very beautiful concepts and varieties also. See, these are the varieties very highly usable and preferable. And if you gonna wash also, there will be not any sprinkling or nurturing in the fabric of these concepts of print. Not any of the damages or defectiveness you will be get in our product. And if you will be get, then you can exchange also. So guys, in this video, that's all. Please give your opinion, reviews and feedbacks in our comment sections. And please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon button to get the regular notifications and updates of any of our channel. Guys, we provide many of the concepts and varieties. So guys, till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.